Home Remedies presents Are you eating plastic? Simple tests to find out. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video is very informative and by the end of the video you will be able to identify plastic in your food. And yes, watch the video till the end to get full information. So without any more wait, let's start. The food that we eat influences our health in a great way. That is why the key to good health is to select your food wisely. I believe it's a common known fact that food stuffed with chemicals must be avoided at all cost. On the other hand, we should tend to consume food that is more nutritional and does not contain too much fat, sugar, cholesterol, etc. Apart from all this, did you ever thought you might be feeding yourself with plastic? Unfortunately, China, being the biggest producer of rice in the world, has reportedly begun with the production of plastic rice, and our sources are extremely reliable. Scientifically, this means that the plastic rice is made from a synthetic resin or plastic and potato starch. By combining and mixing them together, they can form grains identical to real rice. The spurious Chinese plastic rice is then mixed with organic rice to mislead consumers. Buying products with false representation is quite misleading and distorted than consciously consuming unhealthy food, isn't it? Every one of us has the right to know about what we are purchasing is authentic or not. I will inform you today about some simple tests that will help you differentiate between the plastic garbage from the real deal. Here we go. Water test. Take 1 tablespoon of rice and pour into a glass of water. If it is organic rice, it will settle to the bottom. If it truly floats in water, this is an indicator that the rice is plastic. Since you haven't done any cooking yet, you can get rid of the rice on the top and then cook the good rice. It won't be dangerous anymore. Fire test. Take some rice and try to burn them by using matchsticks or lighter. If the rice particles are made of plastic, then it will release plastic smell immediately after burning. Boil test. Boil the rice in water. See the thick layer of rice on the top. It's the fake or plastic rice. Remember how we tested the rice with water and the plastic rice floated to the top? The same thing here, but it's also melting because of the high temperature. Do not consume it. Fungus test. Doing the fungus test is also an option. First, boil a cup of rice. After it is fully cooked, place it in a container and leave it in your counter for 2 to 3 days. If the boiled rice does not get affected by fungus, then it happens to be plastic rice and not the usual rice. Remember that you won't buy a full bag of plastic rice. It will be mixed with real rice. Make sure to place the rice in cold water and stir it before cooking. If there is plastic rice, then you can easily get rid of them. You can easily execute these tests and figure it out yourself. It's not that long or hard to do, but it will save you from getting poisoned by plastic. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.